Hey guys, my name is Brian and welcome back to another Firebird Friday. Today we're putting this front sway bar on our 67 Pontiac Firebird, and I want you to go along with me because I want you to sway with me. That was lame, I know, totally lame, but yeah, let's shut up and let's get to turning some wrenches, I guess. So, woohoo, sway bars! All right, so your sway bar, you're gonna have new bushings that go on. They have a opening. You just take them and push them on or put them on like that. See how that easily goes in like that? And then right underneath here on the frame, there's a spot. You should have a clamp. So that circle end kind of goes on here, and that clamp takes it up into there. You have sway bar linkage, so that's going to come up through this hole here, which I do believe. Like so. So a bolt, a washer, grommet, up it comes through. Then another grommet pointing face down. Then a washer. Then, where did it go? And there's a spacer. Then another washer. Then another rubber bushing. And then our sway bar will attach to here. Another grommet pointing down. Then we're going to top this up. And then we're going to run to the other side so it kind of balances out real quick. Stay right there. Okay, so now that we have the bar in, we can kind of rotate it around here a little bit. And we can cinch it down like so. Then we can take our next washer, stick it on there. Push that all together. And we may have to just use a flat washer to kind of compress that real quick. Let me grab one. Okay, so just a real tiny flat washer so we can get some threads on this. See if there's enough there. Oh, hi. Hi, Sierra. Hi. Honey, can Dad work on the car? Can I work on the car? Oh, thank you. Wish I took all puppies. Okay. Helps if you have the right size. Oh, really? Really? Scoot it over. Put one underneath here. Yes, thank you for the kisses, Sierra. Gosh, I know, you're such a good shot dog. There we go, we got a bite. Try this again. Change that back. Okay, now for the sway bar bushing, your clamp, there's a curve to it. There's also a curve to your bushing. So you just take them, put them together, and you're gonna get it up in there. I have these. Might have to have some help from the puppy here. All right, so sway bars in. All right, we have the bars in, nice and straight there, looking good. I made it red just because I wanted to. We got it in there. It's all set. So with that, this whole front end is back together. And I think now we're gonna put in our brake booster and stuff. We'll do that next time, get that squared away. And then there's a motor that we might put in here. We'll have to find that motor and stick it in there. So until next Friday, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please like and subscribe. Drop me a comment if you have any questions, or if you saw something I didn't do correctly, let me know ahead of time before I stick this motor in. All right, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you next Friday for another episode of Firebird Fridays.